Hello everyone, welcome to 3 Rima Studio. And today we'll continue my 3D Blender project, that is my wooden toy tank. This project I am sharing with you as in form of tutorial, but it's my personal project with the in the memory of my grandfather. So let's start and continue. Let's jump back to Blender. So here we in last video we did this rotating base and we also made this pulley. So now we have to create, let's see what we have in the reference. We can create this rod. Okay, this rod, how it has been made. See here I will see one thing, that is it's not completely easy. In here the rod is in a way of such. If we see from the side view of this individual rod, we will see this thing. So here we have to create this and then the rest of the part. This is the main, I can say, the structure or the model or piece of this tank, which should be in a much more creative and precise way, or you can say in a way where you can understand the good modeling. So let's continue. So I will create this shape first, this shape. So I'll go by, first of all, I'll take what I can take. Let's have a cube and go to edit, select all, scale down, something around here. Let's go up. We can set this to, let's have it little up, and again you scale it. Let's have it this much. This is enough. It should lock. So how it will lock, that we'll see. First of all, I need this wireframe to be chamfered. So let's do this. Okay. And this to be extrude up and this here. So what happened here, I can do one more thing first. Let's put this up and it's okay. And then see the space. So Control B and give a scroll on your mouse and you can get this. Okay. Now I need here 4 or you can say 6 segments, like not 6, but I can say, let's first scale this down. Correct. Let's have this go below. Either we can go with this whole thing by, where it be. So let's isolate this. Shift H. Now work only on this. So what I need this chamfer and else all. Before this chamfer, what I will do, I will pass the segments. So Control R. Before that, I'll switch on the snap option and I'll snap here also. Control R. I think this goes good. So K on up from here for the get, and then again K from here till here. I have to go this side also. And one more thing I can do, let's select this, give a loop cut in between, and let's delete this by vertex. So I'll be working on this. Okay, now I need to pass this. So Control R, that is K here, and click, enter, K, click, and enter. So this is done. Now I need something here to be perfectly managed. So what I can do, I can create one pass here, that is one flick, one loop here. And what I will do, I will connect this loop here. So switch on this auto merge vertex and select the vertex, press G, click here, and it will go snap and get merged automatically here also. So I did this just to understand that I can make any looping as per the structure's need. So I did this. Now what? Now you can see it is an equally divided, so called, I guess. So if you don't think that this is equally divided, I can make it in a manner like two ways. That is, I'll go by edge center, press G, Y, and I'll find my edge center here. I don't have it. So what I can do is that this. I'll remove the edge from here, even this edge also. Now Control R, click. So what happens? This is not exactly. I need these all to be renamed first. Okay, I need this to be selected and this. Control R, make it three segments. And now these are equally divided. Now go back to vertex, press K and connect them. Okay, now from here it is equally divided. Let's give a mirror. So here it is. Now I need these to be beveled and this one also be beveled. So control, see what happened, that I need a such bevel which I can give a little fine this triangle. Okay, so control shift B for single vertex bevel and I made this. Okay, now I need these vertex to be beveled. And see this, correct, not the in-betweens, the edges. Control B now and give a little less segment so it will be fine. And now give subdivision and say it's small. I think this is good, definitely. Let's raise this piece on Z axis slightly. So this is also good. So don't worry about the extra vertices. You can still manage. That means if you want, you can remove and connect, but it won't work in this way because this is kind of an hard surface, so no issue about it. So now let's continue and let's merge or apply this modifier called mirror. So now if I go to edit, I have one piece, not mirror. So I need here to be segment, and to be segment like three segments, I guess. Make it a prox square. So you got this square. Now select it, scale it in x-axis to make a square, which is most easier if you don't know how to make square. And in this, so I made a square by scaling it, and I will insert a little, right click, loop tool. Now from where this loop tool came, so we go to edit, preferences, go to add-on, search for loop, and you'll get this mesh loop tool. You switch on it, save the preferences, and when you go to edit mode, you will get inside this inner list. This is by right click to the object. Okay, so I will use this circle. I'll scale this circle. Again, I will do the insert, a slight insert, and then I'll start this modeling. So press E for this here. Let's have this off and save this one wireframe so I can see the size out. So this is one. So let's go clear. We can change it later, but we need to focus on this part. That is okay. Now here, what I need this to be scaled. So scale it in this manner. and take these vertex and scale it in such manner so it will be a comfortable piece. Now here I did, again I will extrude. So this extrude is also good. Now again I need a small, no, this one is longer. So give an inset, I can say this one, and extrude, make it a little longer and scale it down little, or I think you don't need that scale. And here you have a big corner, so you need one extrude this much, and then again inset in our case, scale this, then again E for this nozzle, select this, deselect, Alt E for extrude along nozzle, make this nozzle extrude from here. Now take this and go to extrude and go back to minus. So if we see here, I need this here down. Okay. And how many holes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. So 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So now I need to level those inside and outside. So by leveling means I am selecting this inner as edge and outer edge and pressing S, Z and 0 to level it by scale. Now I need alternate edges to be selected, alternate vertex to be selected. So let's jump in back to here. So I'll take, okay, so alternate, let's see. So I need this one. I'm selecting the inner vertex also just exactly at the same level. Yeah, I guess this is okay. So now Control Shift N for beveling this holes or holes. And you see, so now I need right click circle. So I made this correctly. Now I need insert of all. This is also needed. So I need to select now manual. So right click bevel faces. You got this. So now this one. Keep checking. So if you did a mistake, you don't have to do it again. So that's why it's necessary to select it perfectly. So it's like, that's why I'm taking it very correct. And now the holes, and we are opening these holes. So be careful of selection. This is time consuming, but not so much. But it's easy. Now I want to repeat the bridge faces. Okay. So what I can do, Shift R, the last command which has been used, that is repeated.
So see, select Shift R. So this way it will get repeat. Sometimes it gets little boring, but it's actually not boring. It is necessary. It doesn't work like you're bored or not. It only works on your interest. It only works on your responsibility that you have to finish this. So it's must. Yeah, there are many shortcuts, but I like to go little longer with details. So if I am doing it correct, so on any mistake, I doesn't need to go again from start. I just have to go few steps behind, which is possible, and I can correct the mistake. So this is done. Okay, I need one extrude here. Okay, this is for that outer nozzle collar, you can say, which is I'm just adding it. I don't need to that. Okay, here also. So here we need to raise this part on Alt E and then export face along normal. So I did this. Let's have research to remove resolve, and this is also good. So now if I see we have some designs, okay, but we need to correct. This correction we'll do on next video. I'll show you how to detail this. So that's it for now. Meet you on next video. Do subscribe, keep liking us, keep commenting, share your questions. I'll share it comment section. So I will share it, my possible answers which can help you. So I need your questions, not your thoughts, because your thoughts are much more advanced. So that's why you are raising the question that how we can do this step or that step. And so I am asking for your ideas which you are struggling to achieve in Blender. So I'm here to help. Thank you. And that's it for now. Bye.